Can you apply render in one coat? One coat render can be used for interior and exterior use and has been formulated for single coat application, reducing the total drying time and can be overcoated once fully cured. It is suitable for tradesmen with experience of applying render. In Jamaica, this method is referred as one down. The professional workmen would mix sand, cement, and water to make a mortar mix. They will use the trowel to flash it to the wall and use a float to rub it in.
This is a parking garage. So today we will be doing one down. One down is a one coat rendering. So you rough flush the wall and rub it in. So to do a one down, first you need to squeal the wall. So the workman will nail 4 nails to the wall to make like a square, and you will draw vertical lines and a horizontal line and use his level to catch the plumb of the wall. So if the lane of the blocks were neatly done, then you will have less flushing. So after squeal the wall, get it to the closest plumb or level. That's the first step. So people would ask me from time to time, when you're flushing the wall, how thick you do the flushing. The thickness of the wall based on how neat the black work was done. If the wall is not twist and have any bad spot, a lot of bad spot in it, it will be easier to flush because you can just spray the wall, meaning just cover the blocks. But if it is twisted, then you have some part can be an inch, some part be half an inch, some part be quarter inch. It all depends on the lane of the blocks. So by then I guess you will get the understanding about what I'm talking. If it is the first time you are here, do remember to subscribe, press the notification bell, leave a comment, leave a like to encourage the algorithm to promote videos like this. After squealing the wall, it is now time to mix your sand and cement and water to make a mortar mix. So we are making a scaffold here because we got to work from the upper part of the wall coming down. So I have other videos which give you the mixing formula, what amount of sand and cement. So in this video I'm not going to explain what is the mixing formula. So see my other video with the mixing formula of concrete, mortar and all of these things. So this is a parking garage. Size 20 feet by 15 feet. And we are doing one down. So as you can see, this is one workman doing all the jobs. He's mixing and doing everything by himself. So if you use more than one workman to do this job, it will be faster and quicker, but this is one man. So this is something can done by one person, and if you have help, it will be much easier. So as you see, the mace is ready to start the flushing process. And remember, we are doing one down, one flush, one rub, and that's it. So one viewers, I did do a live stream when I was doing this, and they asked me if one down, based on they know about one down is for outside. So this is a parking garage, which this is inside, so they decide they're gonna do one down. And in the future, if they have money, they can do shower lawn. So if you gotta do shower lawn, you don't need to granite it. and make it with that super smooth. So that's what's happening here. So this is inside, and we are doing 1 down. Yeah, so the mace would flush the wall to a point, then you rub it in, and you repeat that process. So when the 1 down and the rough flush is 2 different money, because the rough flush is just flush the wall and rub it off, and that will be the 1 down is flush the wall, rub it off, and rub it in. So it's more work. So here you have it. The back wall is complete. So, Mr. Workman, how long does this wall take to fully dry?
Depends, huh?
Oh, it depends on how hot the days are, or if it's raining or whatever. Load. So, alright. As you can see, this wall was done yesterday, and the upper part of the wall is wet and the lower part is drier. Why is it so?
Because sun penetrates the wall more, precipitation point is scanty.
Oh, so based on where the sun shine at the day and the wall, that to dry faster than, and that is up under the scanty. Okay, I see. So there you get it from the workman. So we didn't know one more thing. So how many days it will take?
All depends, huh?
Like about 5 to 7 days?
Can take more, but all depends.
It all depends, alright. So based understand clearly. So you don't want to give a specific time and whatever. So based on the weather condition, if it's very hot day, the drying process is quicker. And if it's raining, it takes a longer time. Alright. So there you get it from the workman himself. It's not me said that, the workman said that. So that's the completion of the one down, one coat application rendering. And do remember to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. And as I always say, if you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, press the notification bell, subscribe to see more videos like this. And I did promise the viewers that I was streaming live yesterday, and you know, when you're streaming live, and I get all the details on the work, so I decided I would upload the video. So this is it. Stay tuned.